Hey everyone, back to do another video. Well, update on what I'm doing here. So I had to redesign the frame a little bit to get this big honking motor to fit in there. Not much of a modification, but just a little bit. I'm still not done with the seat. Right now it's just sitting there. I still have to shape and round this out real nice. Let's see, have to finish building the supports for the motor mount plate. Well, yeah, for the motor mount plate. Let's see, I did get on, as you see, got on the mount for the brake. I think got a little heated up there, but not bad. This here, now I lined it up, kind of, and it's not exactly in line. So I can move this over, but then I won't be able to tighten it. Or I can take this off, flip it, put it back on, and see how that does. So that's probably what I'm going to end up doing. Other than that, it's coming out pretty good. I had to notch this here. I still haven't welded it, but I had to notch it so it clears the frame. So that part is done. It clears the frame quite nicely now. As you see right here, I had to modify this here. It was looking like that, so I had to modify it to look like that so the motor will not hit. So got that part done. I still have to clean it up. There's a bit that needs to be cleaned up on that by far. I'm still not liking it too much, but at the same time, it's like, well, that thing ain't going nowhere. I mean, if you can break that, I'll be impressed. I'm not saying that it cannot be broken, but it's going to take a hell of a lot to do so, and I mean a lot. Let's see, what else? I still have to figure out the pegs. Alright, so my feet pretty much would go right about here. So let me set that down. Alright, so that's where my feet would be. Basically, this part, it'd be right across there. Not sure if I like that or not, but it's a more race position, I guess. You know, it allows me to lay more flat with the bike and the handlebars and all that. It's not exactly supposed to be a comfortable ride. I mean, I guess you can go long distance with it, but I don't know. I mean, I probably wouldn't, but I guess you probably could. Around here, long distance is what, 5 miles? Any more than that, and it's like, what do we do now? What do we do now? So, let's see. But yeah, there's still a lot to do. I still have to figure out something for the steering stabilizer. Now, what I was thinking, and let me just say I'm really dreading this, because taking these off is not the easiest thing in the world to do, but I will do it if I absolutely have to. I will take those off, but I will have to, down here, I was thinking about, you know, mounting it up here, but gas tank and all that kind of being in the way. So as you see there, yeah, that ain't gonna work too well. But if I were to make a couple holes, one over here, one right there, have a piece of, well, not on top but on the bottom, but not all the way through either, and have a piece of metal mounted to it coming out. Now I was thinking to myself, well, what if I were just to mount it directly to here? That won't work because of this here. It will smack right into it. So if I have a piece of metal coming out, and then, you know, at an angle, and then coming out straight in line with this here, with a hole right there, just one hole, then that might work. But man, I mean, I got the tap and die set and all that, but just getting this off is, before I was just dropping the wheel and sliding this here, sliding this down to about here, and to remove the fork, because taking this off it's not fun. It really isn't. Now, you can't take this and drop it all the way down because of this weld here. And yeah, that won't work. So to take this completely off, to do that, I would have to take this completely off. Man, I know it has to be done, and I'll do it eventually. I'm just really not looking forward to it. Now, when I go to paint this, which I will do, I'll probably do that before I paint it, so I can get an idea, see, you know, and get it all done up. Make the piece on the frame that comes out that the steering stabilizer attaches to. But for now, I am just not interested in doing that. I just really ain't. I did get the brake reservoir on there. It's a big old monster. .3 only. The calipers .3 or 4. I think this one here will too quite nicely. It's big. So, ooh, and string stabilizer will come in handy for that as well. Now you think metal against metal? No, not really. Hits right there, but still I don't want it to hit at all. I mean, so yeah. Down here, I'll probably put something underneath. I got plenty of sheet metal. Probably do like I did the goblin over here, and put a piece of sheet metal down right there. It won't be very big. Let's see. Once I get all this done, I already got all the fuel line hooked up. Oh yeah, which reminds me. The petcock, I'll probably have that somewhere around here, I guess. I'll weld on a little tab and put it right here or somewhere like that. Anyhow, yeah, and let's see, I'll clip this somewhere around here and continue it going out to, continue it going out to the carburetor. Dang, that's a big old nick. Didn't notice that. I'll have to fix that. But yeah, and I'll have to fix that too. Look at that. My welds are not all that pretty looking, but they're strong as all hell, even after cleaning them up. And the seat, I will tack that down And no, I will not be bringing it all the way up. For the reason, because when I want to move this and lift it, I want to grab it from right here and lift that sucker up. Now, yeah, three fingers, but that's more than enough. I got the chain. Chain is over there somewhere, and that, you know, I'll line it up. Once I get lined up with this, you know, then I'll break out the chain. I'm not going to take it out if it ain't lined up yet. So there we go. Oh yeah, and I got these done. Finished that up today. So I think that's about it for right now. Let's see, I got this, the throttle. Yeah. Yep. Can't really hear it in there, but yeah, that's set up. That's good now. It is a very small bike. I wanted it that way. So you kind of see, here's my knee. it's small. It's very low. You know, small back tire. I believe that is a 6-inch rim on there. You know, and then I got another rim over there. I figured if I want a bigger rim, I can put one on there. But for now, that'll do. So, anyhow, I think that's about it for now. Thanks for watching, you guys. I appreciate it. And I will talk to you all later.